Have you ever typed a prompt into AI and the result looked basic? That's not the AI's fault, it's the instructions. Creating AI art is a bit like being a movie director. The AI is your camera crew and actors, but you have to provide the script. If your script is just a dog, the crew will give you something generic. If you say a golden retriever wearing a tuxedo at a jazz club, you've got a masterpiece. Today, I'll show you the professional formula experts use to generate stunning AI images every time. Welcome to Digital Hustle Academy, your ultimate guide to mastering digital skills and making money online. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to structure AI prompts step by step so your images look cinematic, realistic, and professional. Let's begin.
Step 1 here is our core subject. Every powerful prompt begins with the main subject, so you don't have to say a man, a dog, or just a person. You have to be specific. For example, an elderly fisherman with a weathered face and thick white beard, or a confident African female entrepreneur. Specific subjects produce premium-looking images. Remember, if your subject is vague, your image will be average. So our steps 2 here is to define the action. Now, give your subject something to do. Action turns a picture into a story. Examples: speaking into a microphone, walking through rain, typing on a laptop, smiling confidently. Without action, the AI gives you a static photo. With action, you get a cinematic moment. Our step 3 here is to set the environment. Next, you have to decide where the scene happens. The environment creates atmosphere. Examples: modern podcast studio, busy city street at night, futuristic spaceship, peaceful beach at sunset. Location plus time of day equal mood. For example, in a modern podcast studio with soft background light.
If you like what you're learning here, don't forget to join our WhatsApp group. It's where we share extra tips and tricks for free.
Our step 4 here is to choose the style. This is the most important step for visual quality. Tell the AI what artistic style to use: photography styles, cinematic film still, professional portrait, documentary photo, art styles, digital illustration, oil painting, anime style, cyberpunk art. For thumbnails and YouTube visuals, cinematic digital illustration works very well. Step 5. Add lighting and colors. Lighting controls emotion. For example, golden hour, warm and inspiring. Neon glow is futuristic. Soft studio light is professional. Dramatic shadow, intense. Lighting can completely transform the same scene. Step 6. Technical finish. Now we add quality details. Examples: shallow depth of field, hyper-realistic texture, soft bokeh, 16:2.9 aspect ratio, 8K resolution. This is what makes the image look expensive and polished. Now, everything together is our pro formula. Use this structure every time: style plus subject plus action plus environment plus lighting plus technical details. Example: cinematic digital illustration of an African female podcast host speaking into a microphone in a modern studio. Warm lighting, swallow depth of field, 16:2.9 dot. That is a professional prompt. Now let's see the outcome of what I just said. And just like that, a simple ideas become a premium AI image. When your prompt is clear, your results are powerful. Quick success tips. Put the most important words first. Avoid negative instruction like no background. Improve your prompt step by step. Even professionals don't get perfect results on the first try. Now that you know how to think like a director and control your AI results, if this tutorial helped you, join our WhatsApp learning community and keep building your digital skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next tutorial.
Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips to master your digital hustle.